The world's appetite for eco-friendly offices is waning, and Trump's policies may be to blame. A recent survey of construction experts reveals a concerning trend: the global demand for green office buildings is losing steam, especially in the US. This slowdown comes on the heels of Donald Trump's controversial rollback of environmental policies, which has seemingly dampened enthusiasm for sustainable construction. But is this just a temporary setback or a sign of deeper issues? The survey, conducted among members of the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors, RICS, found that North and South America witnessed a significant drop in the growth of demand for green commercial buildings. This shift is believed to be a direct response to the US government's changing priorities. While the rest of the world also saw a decrease in demand, it was not as pronounced. Buildings, both residential and commercial, contribute a staggering 34% of global carbon emissions, according to UN Environment Programme. Most of these emissions are from heating, cooling, and powering buildings, with construction processes also playing a significant role. The UN emphasizes the urgent need for accelerated action in the building sector to combat climate change. Green buildings employ various strategies to reduce their environmental footprint, from using materials that minimize carbon-intensive concrete to reducing water usage, heat loss through windows, and adopting renewable energy sources. These measures not only benefit the environment but also lead to lower operating costs. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite the apparent benefits, the RICS survey indicates a slowdown in demand for green construction. Nicholas McLean, RICS's acting president, suggests this might be a temporary blip, as the end users of these buildings still desire sustainability. However, the survey also reveals a concerning trend in the US, where the number of building professionals reporting higher demand for green buildings has plummeted. And this is the part most people miss. Green office buildings often attract higher rents due to their appeal to large corporate tenants. Yet, the survey highlights a growing disconnect between market demand and government policies. Kisa Zera, RICS's sustainability analyst, points out that government regulations significantly influence market confidence. The Trump administration's aggressive dismantling of environmental protections, established by both Republican and Democratic predecessors, has sent mixed signals to the construction industry. Furthermore, the survey exposes a decline in the measurement of embodied carbon in construction projects. Embodied carbon refers to emissions from producing materials like steel, glass, and concrete, as well as those from the construction process. An alarming 46% of construction professionals admitted to not measuring embodied carbon, a significant increase from the previous year. This suggests a potential oversight in the industry's commitment to sustainability. The big question: is the Trump administration's stance on environmental policies hindering progress towards a greener future? Or is this a temporary setback in an otherwise positive global trend? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's explore the complexities of this critical issue.